family. Welcome game changers. In this full episode, let's solve this subtraction problem. 73 minus 48. The ones column is on the right and the tens column is on the left. We start solving the subtraction problem by subtracting the numbers in the ones column. 3 minus 8. But I can't do it because 3 is smaller than 8. So we must borrow. You go to the 7 in the tens place and borrow 1 from it. So the 3 becomes 13 and 7 becomes 6. Now we have 13 minus 8, which equals 5. Write 5 in the ones place. Then go to the tens column. 6 minus 4 equals 2. Write 2 in the tens place. So 73 minus 48 equals 25. And this is our final answer to this problem. Make sure to like and subscribe to support the channel.